Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone so far has been having a great and fantastic weekend. Oh my god, look at this hair. When your hair doesn't want to do nothing and you know it's time to wash it. Anyways, getting into our video. So today I just want to show you guys a few goodies that I picked up, as you can tell by the title of this video. Alright guys, so first place I stopped was, I don't know if you have this store by where you're at, but Burlington. Now growing up north, Burlington was Burlington Coat Factory. Mostly where you would buy coats. You can buy a few other things, maybe clothes and a few little baby things and stuff, but growing up it was definitely the go-to place up north when you wanted to buy some coats. So now being down here in the south and in Florida, they just opened one up close to where I live, and now it definitely is not only coats. Now if you find coats there, it's practically a miracle. When we went to go to our trip to Colorado, you'll see that in my video, the travel log. We definitely went looking for coats, and we went to Burlington because that's where I figured growing up was a coat factory. So we really didn't find much, but you can find other great items and a lot of good finds there. So yeah, I want to show you what I found over there. First thing I picked up is some sponges. They're really pretty, they're really cute. Normal price, if you buy sponges a lot, you know that they're pretty expensive. Sometimes just for one sponge this size, it's like $5 and up. I don't know why these sponges are really expensive. But anyways, this says it's valued at $12, and I got it only for $5.99 the pack of 4. So this is definitely good. I like to change my sponges every so often. Now I do wash my sponges. Although I wash them, I still like to change them up every so often because I feel like they still kind of catch bacteria or any other things. So that's the first thing I picked up. Another thing I found was these e.l.f. Oh, it's a kit of 2 brushes, and I believe it's for contour. The normal value for this is $8, and I got it for $3.99. So basically half the price. So these are good. I want to try and see how these work. Another thing I picked up was the Urban Studio brush cleaning pad. I want to see how this works. I normally clean my brushes with the spray or with shampoo or soap, whatever, but then there's the downtime of the drying, etc. So I want to see how this works. It says it easily removes makeup from brushes with no dry time needed. I believe you can just give it a swoosh and it'll clean it, and then you could go on to another product with the same brush and you don't have to wait for it to dry. Another thing that I found that I thought was interesting was this little pack, and it has 4 what look like lipsticks in it, and it's called Lyly. Look, I don't know. I'm gonna pronounce everything in Spanish before I even try to say it in English because that's just how I roll. But it looks like it's 4 different types of lipsticks, and it seems like they're hydrating formula lipsticks, and one is a primer. So this is what came inside, and so we have a few different colors here. The black one is the primer, the next one is Opal, the other one is Fetish, and the last one is Fierce. So I don't, let's see. Okay, the primer looks like this. I'm definitely not gonna have no, well, it has a light color to it. This one's more of a white. This is the Opal. I don't know if it'll have any color to it. Just looks like it's just good to hydrate your lips. The Fetish, oh no, yep, Fetish. Ooh, that looks really dark. So this one gives it kind of a purple tint. Really pretty. Now, I've never heard of this line before, so I mean, I definitely wanted to try it. This one is Fierce, and this is more of a lighter purple. You can see that. I really think they're pretty. I think they're pretty, and I thought they were kind of interesting, so I want to give them a try. They're compared at a $10 value, and I got them for $4.99. So another thing I found there was a Smashbox lid primer. So this is a primer for your eyelids, and I will definitely be letting you all know what I think of this primer. I also got two Smashbox lipsticks, one in the color Plum and one in the color Fireball. Oh wait, the primer is normally a $23 value, and I only got it for $7.99. These two are normally valued at a $24, and I've got them for $7.99 as well. So I want to swatch these. This one is the Plum. Oh, kind of looks good with that. That's the Plum. And this one would be the Fireball, which kind of looks orangey instead of red. Very pretty colors. I want to try them on. Definitely these colors are out of my comfort zone. I'm more of a neutral lip, kind of warm color girl, but I can't wait to try these and see how they wear and how they feel on. So this is all what I picked up at Burlington. So yes, you can find some name brand things at Burlington, just like you can find them at TJ Maxx. There's other stores that you just really have to look, and you can find upper brands in there for a lower price. Mind you, they don't have a big variety there, but you just might find your color every once in a while or something that you like. So definitely look around and see what you find, because there are a lot of great finds there. Next place I went was, we all know the orange bag, Ulta. So the first thing I picked up from Ulta is this e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette. These colors are really pretty, really bright, definitely out there. And you might see that I already swatched them because they're really nice. They're very well pigmented. You can get a lot of looks from this, and I'm definitely a blue and yellow type of girl. So I definitely thought this palette was beautiful, so I can't wait to give this a try. I think it was only like 14 bucks. Another thing I picked up was the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Face and Eye Gloss, and I think it's really cute because I don't know how I feel about putting it on my eyes, because like a gloss on my eyes I feel like would be sticky, but we will always try. Oh, look how pretty that is. It's very shimmery. Let's see if I can put it somewhere. Look at how beautiful that is. So that's really pretty. So it's for your face and eyes. You can put it anywhere, I believe. Let's see. Let's put a little bit here. You can use it as a highlighter. Like that. I think that's really nice. I believe it's in the color Icy Pop, and I just thought it was really pretty inside its package, so I was definitely excited to give this one a try. Another one I got was the jelly highlighter. Oh, it's kind of like putty. Ooh, kind of looks like putty. It says you can apply that as well. Let's try that one on top. Oh yeah. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh. I mean, it's not perfect. I'm not trying to put it perfect, but yeah, you can see that it's a difference. So yes, I'm excited for this one. I want to see how it wears the rest of the day. Like right now, it's sticky, but I don't know if it dries down or if it stays sticky the whole day. But it's pretty. And then I have this poreless putty primer. So it's a little primer, soothes the skin and preps it. So it's a putty primer. And it's pretty small. I believe you can use it anywhere. It's like putty. So you'll have to like scrape it with something, maybe your nail or something, and then, or you can rub it. It's kind of soft. I already dug my nail into it. I'm excited to try this one. And then the last thing I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I got this in the color dark brown. I normally use the pomade from Anastasia, but I wanted to try something in this form as like a pencil or something like that, because sometimes I just want to try to get it quicker. So it has the brush on one end, and then it has the angle on the other end. This is all I picked up at Ulta, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want to see something with these items that I picked up, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to like this video and go ahead and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell for any future notifications of when I post any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.